The thing that feels like to be me is trying to really, I really want to get more natural, more really how it feels to be me. When I started doing prank videos, that's a huge thing, something that I have never thought I would be doing.
The weight, I'm hot.
I ended up growing a YouTube following of 300,000 followers on YouTube. Like my ex-boss, making videos with him was great, but at the same time, I felt mistreated.
Aaron was diagnosed with OCD as a teenager.
This quiet little boy who always smiled.
I did something that he didn't like, so he threw my phone charger out the window.
You deal with mental health stuff?
I see a lot of different types of mental health.
My mental health got really, really bad to the point where I couldn't be on social media anymore. Even the smallest comment will affect me. Even the smallest DM will affect me.
The way that people perceive him and react to him.
Aaron is weird, because I get that a lot. I got that like my whole life. What's wrong with him? What's wrong with him? Over and over and over and over and over. I'm feeling a lot of, this is bad.
He worked with me for a week. I would give him specific instructions. He'd literally do the opposite.
It's hard to put myself in front of a camera and feel like everything's fine when it's not.
He has been diagnosed with autism.
Well, I guess you don't know how my brain works.
He probably saw his mother get hit. He knew he was hit. So that's very traumatic.
Can be a little bit difficult. Overall, he's a good guy.
I want to change. I don't know how to change. I don't have a normal brain. My brain doesn't work.